Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to take long exposure pictures on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now to do that, just open the camera app. Now from here, just tap on more. Now from here, tap on Pro. Now from here, once you have enabled Pro mode, just tap on ISO and set ISO to 50. Now from here, just tap on the shutter speed and select 2 seconds. Now with this setting enabled, you can take long exposure pictures. Just like that. And this is how you can take long exposure pictures on your Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.